morning, it's Teresa, Mountain Air Farms. And I'm down here at the sawmill with Randy. See what he's doing. Well, he almost got into his race. Cutting cedar. What you doing, darling?
Didn't go to work today. Wasn't sure about the rain when it was gonna move in. I hate to drive all the way up there and not get a full day's work in. So
Yeah, it's a good hour from here.
yeah. So
Also, it's windy.
it's windy and we're putting up 10.
Yeah.
So this way I can still get the rest of the stuff milled up. But this is going to be the benches.
Now, the benches, what do you mean as far as like
Along the porch.
along the porch?
Yeah. Just, you know, the live edge benches.
Live edge benches. That's all in cedar.
That's what's going to be the rail.
Oh, okay.
You know, sit
How-
bench.
Okay, like we've done before on Cosby cabin and Alex's cabin.
Yep.
Cool. Even our cabins.
Yep. Even right.
Ah, beautiful cedar. Now you're going to peel that little edging off, right? So it'll still be live edge. You just ain't going to see that
Well, you ain't gonna see
bark.
bark. That's pretty.
Mm-hmm. It's like a big fat piece of bacon.
Yep.
Actually, I think this is the prettier side. And I like how the edges slope out.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
That's
Here,
pretty.
here, hang on a minute. I don't want to get wet.
Why not? You ain't gonna take all of these for hers, but I'm gonna mill it.
Well, once you mill them, we'll use what we need to on hers, and we'll stick the other out on for sale.
Or we'll save it for the next
Yeah, or save it for the next cabin. True.
Get all this sawdust off of them.
That is gorgeous. Almost too pretty to sit on.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh, I love that last one. That one there. That is gorgeous. Oh, just put a clear sealer over that. That would be beautiful. Keeping it like that. Now, that's one thing I love with our cabins. Each one is so unique and so different, you know.
They the same.
Yeah. It's yeah, he almost slid.
Twisted my ankle.
Yeah, let's not twist your ankle.
You just put me down like a horse. Yeah, that's. That way we got something done today.
That is beautiful.
Finish milling up the rest of the trim and stuff. That way I'll be off the mill. Should be done with everything. I've got some more cedar over there I'm going to cut up for the steps.
Right. And sometime this week you've got a mantle you've got to cut. So.
I might use these for the two of the littler ones.
Uh-huh.
For the steps coming off the porch. For the sides.
Right. Oh, for the siding, upright siding.
Yeah, the upright sides going down.
Right.
Use two of them on the sides. The littler ones. The big fat ones we'll use for the bench.
And how many benches do we need? Two?
Just two on the side, and then if it comes down in the middle, we'll just put a rail on the front.
Okay. Well, or if she does, I think they're still debating on whether if they're going to do the steps across out the front or out the side. So we're kind of limited to doing how we need to cut them until
we know for sure.
We know for sure
which way we're going to go.
Yeah.
But I knew I needed to get these cut up, so.
Them are gorgeous. Beautiful.
That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
Just stack these up over here. I ain't gonna take them up there yet until we get.
Till you get exact measurements.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love that marble in that one.
Oh, I know.
Look how the sun hits it. It's gorgeous right there.
Yep. And we've got our buddy Jeff coming back in today from California. It's long term with him. He's in the process of trying to get moved here. He's got a 2-year plan that we're in the process with him, helping him do his 2-year plan. So, God did a lot of different things going today.
Yep. Take these up there and put them on that sawhorse.
Let them start.
They're out of the way.
Right. Well, and air dry, and you'll know tomorrow. You'll know tomorrow what the plan is for the steps.
Yeah.
And those are heavy.
Well, it ain't too awful heavy. It's just that sharp edge of the mill right there where that track runs on me all the time.
Catches it.
It sticks.
Right. Well, I thought I'd show you what he was doing. And
That's what we're doing this morning.
yeah, and he's trying to get a lot of the little sticky places cleaned up off the mill. So
Yeah.
keeps it
Do something. Just
clean your mess up. Kind of like when you're cooking, clean your kitchen.
well, that cedar gets so sticky.
Right.
It gets on the trash and everything else. Nothing works right.
Go ahead and fill up your jug while you're here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And get you some more dish detergent.
Yeah, I need to. I'm gonna have to change out my blade. This cedar, you can do it. You can about cut it with the dull blade. That's perfect cut. But that blade is dull.
Right. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love your comments and suggestions. We love hearing from you. Remember, we do have that giveaway going. Once we hit 600 subscribers, it don't matter if you're the very first subscriber or you're the 600th subscriber, you'll be in that drawing as long as you go to the email at giveaway.mountain, MTN, air, AIR, farm, FARM, at gmail.com. And that is the giveaway for that wireless bridge router. So make sure you go to the email and get signed up for it. And that's what we're doing. Randy, do you have anything else to say?
Nope.
Nope.
Just keep watching, liking.
Yeah, watch, like, subscribe. Well, remember, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.